Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to make a circular text box in Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new layer. Right click, use ellipse tool. Do not use stroke or use stroke color. Red and fill color. Hold shift. Text. Right click, horizontal type tool. Text color black. Click and type anything. How to make circular text. Double click, resize or fill. And right click, convert to shape. Press Ctrl T. Hold shift. Again hold shift. Double click and text color white. Shadow. Hold Ctrl, align middle. Press Ctrl Z. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.